Are you experiencing issues with your Ford's diesel injectors? We explain the top causes and fixes right here. Failing or faulty diesel injectors often show up through performance and starting issues. Be on the lookout for smoky exhausts, rough idling, hard starting, or a check engine light. One common issue is the erosion of the injector's control valve. Over time, high-pressure fuel flow wears away the internal valve surface, leading to a cracked injector nozzle or a failed seal. To fix the problem, get new OEM diesel fuel injectors. A bad batch of diesel can introduce contaminants like water, rust particles, or microbial sludge that damage your injector system. That's why you should always buy fuel from reputable stations. And remember to regularly replace the fuel filter and drain the water separator. Skipping installation steps like sealing ring replacement or over-torquing fasteners can result in leaking, misfires, or premature failure. Always follow factory torque specs and installation procedures precisely, or have your injectors installed or reinstalled by a qualified diesel mechanic. Not all injectors are built the same. Many non-OEM diesel injectors are cheaper for a reason. They lack the rigorous testing and precision engineering of Ford manufactured parts. Make sure you always use OEM Ford diesel fuel injectors from trusted dealers. If you're experiencing injector failure on your diesel Ford, don't wait for more damage to occur. Get in touch with Blue Springs Ford Parts for your OEM replacement injectors today. Click on the link below for more information.